The Gillette substation sits on a 107-mile transmission line with 9 substations on it. It goes from Helena to Stuttgart. We're tying in at Gillette will allow us to have another point to bring power into that line. So if there's a weather event that causes the line to be cut at some point, we have 2 avenues to feed it. So it makes the reliability much greater along that line.
We are standing here in front of Norfolk Substation. This right here is the end point for our project, and this is the last part of our effort for this program that started in 2009. This rebuild will replace 130 wooden structures with 139 steel structures. The structures in this area, some of them have been here since around World War II. It was a difficult construction practice back then. A lot of times they were using mule teams to drag the poles in and set these in this very hilly terrain up here. The helicopter approach is a very new thing for us. We actually started this on a leg of a section in Hot Springs. It worked out really well for us, so we decided to implement it here. This was estimated to be approximately $11 million project. With the use of the helicopters, we've been able to reduce the cost overall to approximately $9.5 million project.
Recently we found, because of environmental concerns, that using helicopters is actually saving us money. We're not traversing the right-of-way near as much and able to restore it to its natural condition much faster. This project's one of many that's going on in the system. In 2015, we spent $700 million to replace aging infrastructure, connect new customers, improve economic development opportunities, and relieve congestion on our system. It's a large undertaking, and there's literally hundreds of people who've had a hand in making it successful.